Have you tried mixing these two together? If you have not tried it before, just continue watching. This video will help you a lot to revive your skin, to transform your skin overnight. Continue watching because I'll be telling you the secrets of a good skin. So, in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you have not subscribed. Like this video and also share this video. Let's go. So, this is the remedy I made, purely natural. I use some kitchen ingredients to achieve great results. So this is something that you need to apply on your face to get rid of some skin problems. This is multi-purpose, meaning that it can treat so many things. Main target is to make your skin supple, to firm your skin, to make your skin thicker and not loose. So the first ingredient I made this of is lemon juice. You can get your lemon itself, the fruits, but this one is natural anyway. So lemon will help to brighten the skin. It gets rid of dark spots. It helps to get rid of blemishes, pigmentation. It makes your skin uniform, and that is if you use it rightly. Continue watching because I'll be telling you when to apply lemon. Any remedy that contains lemon, you have to use it the right time, not just any time, to achieve best results without giving you any side effect. So the next one I made this of is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera will help to keep your skin hydrated. It helps to make your skin younger. It helps to increase the elasticity of your skin, making your skin thicker, more plump, helping to soothe irritated skin. It helps to prevent sunburn. So try to get aloe vera because you will achieve great results, especially if you have dry skin. You will surely love it. So I made this of this oat flour. Oat flour will help to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells. The result will give you a brighter, beautiful skin that glows. Also, oat powder will help to make your skin supple. Like, your skin will just look so plump, no dryness, no loose skin. It helps to firm your skin. The result is amazing. Try to get oat powder. Another thing about oat powder is that it helps to get rid of dry skin. So if you have dry skin, using oat a lot, adding it into your beauty treatment will help to revive your skin, nourish your skin, heal your skin, and make you naturally beautiful. So if you don't have oat powder, you can make use of rice powder, but in this particular one, please try to get oat powder. Another ingredient is cornstarch. Yes, I love cornstarch a lot, and that is because the main purpose of using it is to firm your skin. It helps to firm saggy skin. If you have saggy skin, loose skin, think of cornstarch because that is what it does. It contains powerful anti-aging properties that will help greatly to firm your skin, get rid of any sagginess on your skin. The result is amazing. So if you want to treat your skin naturally, just try to get all these ingredients and you will never regret it. So I still have one I've not listed, and that is rosehip oil. So rosehip oil comes in different colors depending on how it's been extracted. So this is the one that is very good. I've been using it. So rosehip oil is very moisturizing, also contains anti-firming effects, like helping to firm your skin. It contains anti-aging properties that will help to nourish and make you look younger. This oil is very penetrating, very lightweight. No matter the skin type you have, if you have oily skin, dry skin, any kind of skin, you can make use of it. Like even sensitive skin can make use of it. Very penetrating. Applying it on your face as a moisturizer will nourish and protect your skin. You will love it. So I believe I've listed some ingredients. Okay, Vaseline is one of the ingredients that I don't joke with. You can use it to moisturize your lip. You can use it to moisturize your feet, your hand, to moisturize it to get rid of dry flakiness, to nourish and protect it from dryness and make it look fresh, supple, and younger. So also, Vaseline will not clog your pores. It will not clog your skin depending on the quantity. So I'll be telling you how to apply it to get perfect result. So this is the measurement. I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, then I added half tablespoon of oat powder, then I added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Yes, then I went ahead to add few drops of lemon juice, or you can just add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Then after that, I added few drops of my rosehip oil, just few drops. I forgot to mention that rosehip oil will help to glow your skin like naturally. Okay, yeah. So after adding all the ingredients, you have to mix until it's smooth. Okay, if your treatment is still thick, you can increase the quantity of lemon juice, or you add rose water to form a thick paste, not so thick and not so watery. If your remedy turns watery, you just increase the quantity of your powdered ingredients and you're all good. So mix until it's very smooth and looking so uniform, no bumps, no lumps. Okay, then you have to wash off all makeups and dirt. Remove all makeup. I don't have makeup, my skin is just natural, like purely natural. Okay, though I've washed my face before. Okay, there are no dirts. Purpose of cleansing your face is to ensure that this remedy penetrates well and work better. You don't want your remedy to end up sitting on the surface. You want it to penetrate, of course, so you have to get rid of dirt so that it can have time to penetrate. Okay, this remedy, like I said, will help to get rid of dark spots. It will help to brighten your skin. It will help to unify your complexion and keep your skin glowing and younger. So if you desire all that, please try this remedy and you'll not regret it. So it's time to show you how to apply it for best results. So I know you may be saying, what of the Vaseline? Don't worry, I will tell you when to apply Vaseline. Just continue washing. Lots of people have been asking, how do I keep my face or my skin so supple? Yes, you know, these things over time, you see that your skin will look younger and younger. As you age, instead of it to start developing wrinkles, your skin will be looking more younger, and that is because you are consistent. So consistency is the major part of this. Like, you have to be consistent, follow the instructions, and you will never regret it. Okay, I've been doing this for 5 years now, so just check my old videos, you see it for yourself. Skincare products works, they work if you get the right one, but you need to also treat your skin like the foundation of your skin by applying this. I have skincare line in case you want to purchase the products. Very natural, very healthy, will help to renew your skin, keep your skin very healthy. Of course, after this treatment, you have to apply your skincare products. If you have a very good one, good for you. Like the one we have is very natural and safe, no side effect at all. So you just have to contact through that WhatsApp, tell us what you want, and we'll give you the best, like the best, without anything that will harm your skin. No. So, but even at that, I still use these treatments. I use these natural ways to take care of the foundation first. When I wash it out, I apply my skincare product, and it will not penetrate well and work better. Alright, so I'm going to leave this treatment on for 15-20 minutes or longer. Okay, depending on you. So in case you have sensitive skin, this is lemon. You can decide to not apply it. If you want to brighten your skin and you have sensitive skin, I would prefer you use orange juice. Just use orange juice. It also contains loads of vitamin C, which is responsible for, firming your skin and also brightening your skin. It's full of antioxidants. Or you can use turmeric, because lemon can be harsh a little. You feel a tingling effect if you have sensitive skin. So try to apply this treatment, leave it on for the right time, 15-20 minutes to dry, to penetrate. So I'm going to leave it on for the right time. Go wash it out. I'll be right back, of course. So after washing it out, you have to apply this next one. Do not pat dry, just leave your face wet so that this will penetrate well as the water is drying on your face. So just little is all I'm going to apply, because I have an oily skin. Though Vaseline is for all skin type, but if you have greasy skin, just a little is all you have to apply. Okay, just a little. If you have dry skin, this is especially for you. In fact, every night I don't joke with Vaseline. Before I go to bed, I apply Vaseline on my lip. to moisturize, to remove dry flakiness, and the next morning I will notice my lip will be so soft, so smooth. Okay, so anytime you are using facial scrub, make sure you scrub your lip as well. It helps greatly. Your skin will look like a baby skin, very young. Reverse your age with these products and you never regret using natural way to take care of your skin. If you also have very good skincare products, just apply after this if you don't want to use Vaseline. So this is rosehip oil. You can also use it as a face moisturizer. It will not lighten you, it will not darken you. It's just perfect, penetrating, will not cause acne, will not clog your pores, glow your skin. Like, it will just glow your skin. The result is amazing. So try to treat your face, because this is what somebody sees when they look at you. This is your mirror. A good skin speaks a lot, speaks about you. So you have to take care of it, and God will be happy, and you will be happy as well. So go on and apply this treatment. Okay, use it 3 times weekly, or you can use it every day. It's very safe to use every day. So lemon juice shouldn't be applied daytime. It's not good for the sun. Okay, it may cause sunburn. Okay, because it contains loads of vitamin C and is acidic. So you need to apply it at night. The next day, try to use sunscreen. Take care of your skin and you love it. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Many ways to take care of your skin using Vaseline. So many ways.